Hello YouTube, today I'm at the Chicago Auto Show taking a look at this 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500. It is a custom build. Not entirely sure all the specs on it because there's not a information sheet. But what I can say is it looks like they have trimmed the bumper, or it's a little bit of an aftermarket bumper. They put on a single row light bar, color matched as well. Very cool. Bunch of sponsors. One of them is BDS Suspension. Very cool sponsor. Coming down to the side, it looks like we have some XD beadlock wheels on some Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ P3s, and those look like they are a 275 70R17. Pretty custom suspension job as well. And you also have some Fox remote resis up top. Rock sliders all the way down. Trailer tow mirrors. Huge light rack up top. That thing is absolutely massive. You also have another rack above that. I don't even know if I can get that tall. There's all the brands that had sponsored this vehicle. Cool that the new Chevys have that little step there. Blacked out taillights. Looks like they also have a dual spare setup in the back. Aftermarket pod lighting integrated into the bumper as well. That orange and black combo looks so sweet. See if I can get a better shot of that for you guys. It also has some pretty nice stance as well. You know, it looks like it's a -12 offset to -24. A little bit of wheel poke. This thing is so sweet. Dang. This thing is very aggressive. So I am obviously at the Chicago Auto Show. I will be posting a bunch of Chicago Auto Show content within the coming days and possibly weeks. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing or sharing the video. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.